abroad. So how will you alter it para syempre sa mga true blue, ng mga nakatira dito sa inyong hometown, dito sa Pilipinas?
Oo, pero kasi mas ma-explain din no kasi siya, concept niya to eh. And he's also the director. So, ikaw
The creative.
The creative.
Yes.
Sa aking puso.
Kala ko may sasabihin.
Hindi.
Ako na.
Pero syempre yung sa aking puso dito sa Manila, parang mas magagawa namin yung mga gusto namin gawin for this show. Kasi syempre pag sa abroad mas limited, diba?
Yeah, we know naman na there are
May mga
cost considerations and restrictions pag you're doing the show abroad. But since it's our 20th anniversary, gusto namin mas bongga.
Yeah.
So this show here in Manila will be mas bongga. To put it simply, no. Siyempre, we will have more lighting effects and then more songs, and we have special guests in our show na usually sa US, we have the local talents, diba? And they're fine, but this one naman, we have artists who are also dear to us or close to us that will be attending, they'll be performing with us. So yun yung maraming mga special na magaganap sa September 13. In fact, meron nga kami mga ibang producers who are, they've seen the show, no? But they know that this is going to be an extra special concert. They're flying back. They're flying in Manila to
Yung
be with
producers namin sa US,
yeah. Kaya medyo excited.
And because this is also telling everybody your love story through the show, what about your love do you want to highlight for the audience?
Well, sa akin, it's yung journey namin. Because our journey was not easy. We actually started really, there was a challenge, a bit of a challenge. A lot of people, maybe si Rodel,
alam na nila yun.
Sorry, hindi ko binumbong yung edad mo, Rodel. Pero, it's very controversial when we started out. And there's a lot of people that were naysayers, na parang, hindi mo tatagal yan, or di sila bagay. Our age gap is pretty big. We're almost 11 years apart. So, even sa career namin. So, maraming mga things na, kumbaga, mabalakid, supposedly. Pero, we weathered the storm and we stood by our love. And 25 years after, we're still together.
Wow.
So, it's worth celebrating and, ipagsigawan sa mundo na.
Mali kayo. Dahil sinabi na.
Pagsigawan sa mundo.
Di ba?
Parang gano'n na nga. Kasi yung 25 years lalo sa mundo ng
Hindi biro.
ginagawa natin, mahirap yan. Sa totoo
No, it wasn't easy. It was never meant to be easy, but we're very grateful, and of course, thanks be to God because He's not in the center. I don't think kami ay maglalas. Tsaka siguro rin yung age gap nakatulong. A lot of people might say na, laki ng gap, pero sa amin it worked. Diba? So,
Mas mature daw kasi yung babae.
maybe, yeah. Because I tell her na siguro kung hindi mas bata-bata tayo or mas baka hindi tayo nag-workout or hindi tayo nagtuluyan. Pero
siguro sa relationship namin ni Dito, sobrang bata ako nung nagpakasal kami, 22? Oh, gagawin. Gagawin yun.
no, it's just yung timing.
Diba?
It's not, hindi lahat gano'n ang storya. Iba-iba naman.
Saka iba naman yung pinagdaanan ng buhay ko. Kaya nung time na yon, ready na talaga ako magpakasal. Tsaka dahil syempre naharap ko na yung the one, na alam ko na confident ako na na ikaw yung pinadala ng Diyos para sa akin. Kaya meron ako
Kaya
checklist.
game na.
Oo, game na.
Dito sa show, MJ, it's interesting because what we're sharing with you, it will be highlighted throughout the show. Mga interesting moments in our 25 years. Mga people na hindi siguro hindi sila aware, masishare namin through music at saka sa stage. Basta ganun, I wanted this show kasi to be very personal And family-oriented, ika nga. Because that's what we are, me and Jessa, and of course Jada, we're a family. In fact, our show is on a Sunday. It's a family day. Diba? Normally shows are Saturday,
Friday.
or Friday. Kami gumawa nila on Sunday.
Pero
And-
pwede dalhin yung mga anak
Oh,
nila.
we really want
family
na,
talaga.
tsaka pinagandaan yung repertoire namin na para sa lahat. Kumbaga, gusto namin mag-enjoy yung tao, tsaka ma-inspire, ma-uplift. Lahat na. Ganun.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, MJ.
Thank you, Mr.